All right, guys, today this is our only page, and Mrs. Hagen is going to be picking the ones on here that I want you to do. Sometimes when I do that, I'm picking them so they're not so close together so that it leaves you some room to solve. You're also more than, you can easily put them on another sheet of paper as long as I can get a picture of that. That will work too. So we are going to start with doing our odd problems, okay? So odd, remember, is 1, 3. Okay, so we can put a little dot. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. Those are our odd problems, okay? All right, we're gonna kind of zoom in a little bit here. You're gonna notice that every once in a while you're gonna have one that is 2-digit times 2-digit, like number 7. So we're gonna talk about that when we get down there, but the ones that you're seeing here are the ones that we've done a lot this year, and also you did these kind last year. So 35 times 9, write it out. We never do them horizontal, we always write them vertically. Write them out, and then we're ready to solve. So I go up, 9 times 5, 45, and then I go to my tens, 9 times, that's an arrow. I go 9 times 3 is 27, plus 4, 28, 29, 30, 31. I can either write it up here on the line, or I can just circle it so that Mrs. Hagen can see it, okay? Sometimes you might have 3 numbers on top like you do on number 3. Okay, so same thing, except you're gonna go up, over, over, aren't you? Should be getting good at those by now, guys, hopefully. Then on number 5, I have 77 times 9. Got that. Number 7 is one of our ones that Mrs. Hagen talked about where we have to do it just a little bit differently because I have to do that 0. Do you remember that 0 that we do? Okay. All right, so I go up first, then I go this way. So I go 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 9. What is that? You're going to write it right here. I don't want to do the whole problem for you. What is 4 times 9? Then remember, this is where we have to put that 0 before we go do our tens. Okay? And then we're going to add everything up when we're done. So our next step when we get down to the bottom part here to the tens is then I'm going to go 8 times 2. Okay? And I'm going to have to carry my 1, right? And then put my 6 down here. So that should be good. You got 2-digit. Here's another 2-digit over here. Same thing. 61 times 36. Up, over, right? Always know that there's going to be a 0 right here. And then I'm going to add up. All right. Let's look closer. We've got to do number 11. Just writing them, I know these are already up and down, but sometimes I like to write them a little bit bigger than they are. If you can do the up and down ones right here on the page without writing it next to it, I'm fine with that, okay? Then I go up, 6 times 8, okay, 48, and keep going, okay? And on the bottom row, same thing. We've just got 4 digits on top, so we have to go up and then over, 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 don't we? Up, over, over, over. So do those 2 on the bottom, and then you will be good to go for today, guys. Thanks.